I pledge the allegiance to the ancestors for bringing two tribes together. And to the oppressors we will stand, one nation, under the Creator, with knowledge and healing for all. I, Q Green Herbalist, and I Am Well Holistic will be together at an event August 14th at 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock at 3901 Lakeside Avenue. And we will also be on a stand where anyone can ask us questions on questions that they found hard for them to figure out as far as healing, health-wise, and we will be there to answer for you. Also having our teas, our massage oils, our tinctures, supplements, waist beads, healing stones. We have a whole energy section of stones and crystals that you can explore. I'm back up in the kitchen working with a chicken. You get 63 grams for like 12.50. 50 pounds of